Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we'll be working on Bosnport again. This time we're working on the very corner part of the layout over here where I've got my terraced houses and also the tower block right here. First things first that I want to do is, first of all, I can just quickly add the lining for the road right down here, just outside the tower block. That's fairly easy to do. And also I want to add the gardens to the terraces because they look like they need some gardens, and also I need to level out this bit here because there's a slight slope here which has been bothering me for a while. I'll tell you I'll be doing that in a moment. And the next bit of detail which I want to add is basically add more details to the tower block. The main thing I want to do is add little window gardens just outside the windows for all the apartments and stuff like that, and also on that side as well, and I need to repair that bit. But yeah, that's the main thing for that. I may have a go at adding a bit of interior detail. I will be adding some more supporting walls, and I may think about adding some magnets at the bottom just to help keep it stable when it's sat up here. So I'll pop that back there for a moment. But for the gardens, I was going to try and do what I did for the little greenery across the bridge just down here by the town part. I can't show you it because I have to move the camera, but intend to, well, I've already traced out the area roughly, and I'll be transferring that to a bit of cardboard. I'll also get the houses and trace out the layout of the houses, get all the paint done, and then put all the grass on here, then do all the bushes and all that lot basically on here away from the layout, so I don't make a mess down here, so I don't have to clean that up. But yeah, that's the plan of it, and yeah, I'm hoping it'll look rather nice. Also have to think of how to add lighting down here because I do want to have some street lights, but luckily that's not till another episode. So yes. Anyway, I'm gonna get crack on and I'll probably do the roads first, just get them out of the way, and then I'll work on the terraced houses, and then I can work on the tower block. So yes, that's the plan, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are with all of the work done over here pretty much. Quite glad that these fences are more or less staying up this time. Still need to do a bit of work in the gardens, but it's pretty much done. This ain't fixed, so it keeps trying to jump off from where it needs to be. I may put some magnets in it or something like that. I decided to go with a park here instead of trying to add more gardens, because I didn't really want to build any more things. So yeah, that looks rather nice. I may add a tree here, maybe one's like one of these, and also a tree over here as well. So yeah, that looks quite nice, in my opinion. Stay. And yeah, I also worked out that the prototype for the block of flats, or tower block, whatever it is, doesn't actually have window garden things, so I've not done them. But instead I have done a rooftop garden, because I figured I could add a little bit of colour up here. And on the side I also built a utility box, so that's here as well. I have done an interior for these windows on the side here, however it's a bit dark in there, so you can't really see anything. But there is an interior in there now. So one of them's a set of stairs if you look from this side, and from this side it just looks like a corridor continuing on downwards. So yeah, that looks alright. Now, for all these windows, considering there's probably about 90 odd on one side and probably about nearly as many on the other side, I actually decided not to do an interior on, because yeah, that's a lot of interiors to do. So just remember, for a little window down there I did do an interior, so yeah, that's got one. But for all these little ones here, no, I didn't. I decided to use some tracing paper to somewhat diffuse the light when I do put no lighting in this. It's basically just to diffuse the light so it's not directly coming out, but it at least glows up quite nicely. And I may add some little blocks here and there just so that some of the lights don't light up, just so that some people are in and some people aren't. So yeah, the two boxes are there, lights there. Ooh, and also I have added some magnets to the bottom of this. There's one there and one here. There's some neodymium, probably pronounced wrong, neodymium magnets just there, and some drawing pins in the just there, and that helps it stay in place. I may add one for this corner just to help it lock into place as well. One thing which I do want to add off camera is just add a little bit of greenery here, just to get rid of this ugly spot there, and also I've done the road. And that's pretty much it for this little corner, and pretty much the town. There is some more details I want to add in, but that'll be for a later date. But yeah, that's most of it. And yeah, next bit to do is the station, because I've got all these long platforms which are a bit blank and needing something like a bridge over this bit and over that bit. So not too sure if I want to build my own bridge or just get a store-bought one. I'll probably build my own one. I'll see what type of bridges I can find. May try and get one from Gosport train station, because that did have a bridge over, but that's actually just a random another type of bridge, but not one for this slot. Although I could probably do a bridge, footbridge from here leading down. Possible. I have to have a think about it. But I do want to do interiors for the station building, and also put stuff on the inside of here. So that's the plan. So yeah, that's that done. And that'll be all the bits till I get to over here. So, and I have got ideas of what I want to do over here. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, feel free to like, favourite and subscribe. I know it's not been all that much building this time, but it's just adding bits here and there, and slowly it builds up, and then you get a nice looking layout. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, if you like it, like the video, feel free to like, favourite and subscribe. And also, if you really like it and also like what I do, feel free to support me on Patreon. And if you didn't like the video, feel free to hope you enjoy your day anyway. So yeah, that's it really. And yeah, take care everyone, and I'll see you again next time. So bye bye now.